What you're going to need for this project is 20 gauge wire. I'm using tarnish resistant brass from Artistic Wire. You're going to need your tools, and I have a ring mandrel. If you don't have a ring mandrel, you can always use a marker or any round form. So for the cat, I have about a 6 to 8 inch piece of wire, and we're going to start just about 1.5 inches from the end, and we're going to do one of the eyes. Bring this underneath like that, and then do the other eye going to the front. So we have the two eyes. Adjust it as you need, and then you want the ears a little sharper, so just take this and bend it down, and then this one and bend it down like that. And then I'm going to curve this one around for the cheek, and then in the center point we're going to do what could represent the little nose or the mouth. Just make sure it's somewhat centered. If you want it like really tiny, just hold this and give it a good tug. We're going to clip that flush, pinch it in, and then we're going to come around for the other cheek. So just bring this one around here, and then we want to kind of bring this one up on a curve, and then we want to form the top of the heart. So we're going to get the larger round pliers, bring that one around, bring it in here. You might have to flip this up a bit to access it and just roll it in there. And then between the ears, just take your flat pliers and give it a good little sharp bend there. You can adjust it in as you need. Then we're going to do the other side. Curve it around. Try to make sure they're even. Adjust it. Try to make sure that point is between the ears. Try to figure out the center point here and bend it up on an angle. So there's your kitty in the heart. You're going to bend that out to the side. Take your ring mandrel, bring it all the way around. Remember, this will bounce back a little bit, so just give it a good pinch. If you want it even smaller, bring it up to the 5. You can attach it here if you want it fixed, or you can give it a little clip. File the end if you need. Bring it up so these line up, and there you have your super cute kitty in the heart ring.